it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a shoe collection, and I have a bunch of shoes that I want to show you guys. I figured people probably like watching shoe collections, and again, I have a lot of shoes, so I thought it might be a good idea to do a shoe collection, and we'll kind of get you familiarized with my style a little bit. I do have some shoes that I don't really wear a lot, but I will tell you which ones. And I have some that I listed on my Depop, and I'll tell you which ones of those too. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm out of breath and I'm sweating. It was harder to film than I thought it was gonna be. But I had a lot of fun doing it. As you can see, I have a bunch of shoes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.